Hi there, and welcome to QuickQore bookkeeping software. In today's tutorial, we're going to take you through each step of adding a new customer in your QuickQore bookkeeping software. Whether you're new to QuickQore or just looking to refresh your skills, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily add, update, and manage customer details. So, let's get started and make bookkeeping easier for you. First, let's log into your QuickQore account and head to the Sales section. From the main dashboard, click on the Sales tab in the menu on the left side of your screen. Once you're in the Sales menu, select Customers. This will take you to the page where you can view, edit, and manage all your customer accounts. To create a new customer, go ahead and click the New Customer button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Now, you'll see a form where you can enter all the important details for this new customer. Start by filling in the customer's name, email address, and mobile number. These fields are crucial, as they help you identify and contact the customer directly. Next, if you have an account number assigned to this customer or a specific ledger for tracking transactions, be sure to add those details here. This makes managing finances more streamlined. Let's move on to the contact information. Input the primary person's name. This is the main point of contact at the customer's organization. If there are other contacts, you can add them under additional people. This can be helpful if you deal with multiple contacts at the same company. Next, provide the business information, which includes the customer's mobile number, fax number, phone number, and direct dial number. Including this information ensures that you have multiple ways to reach out to your customer. Don't forget to fill in the customer's website. This can be a helpful reference for future communication. Also, enter their business registration number, especially if this is a business customer that requires precise records. If there are any special instructions or important notes related to this customer, add them in the Notes section. These notes will be stored with the customer profile and can be a great reference for later. Next, let's input the addresses. Start with the billing address. Here, enter address line 1 and address line 2, followed by the city, state, country, and zip code. Accurate billing details ensure that your invoices are correctly routed. If the delivery address is different from the billing address, enter those details separately. This helps if you need to deliver goods or documents to a different location. By keeping these addresses up to date, you'll avoid potential delays or mix-ups.
Now it's time to move on to the financial section. Scroll down and fill in the bank account name and bank account number. This information can be useful if you need to set up direct payments or refunds for this customer. Add any other relevant details that might help with financial transactions. Enter the tax ID number of the customer, which is especially important for tax reporting and compliance. Making sure these details are accurate can save you from potential tax issues down the line. Next up, let's configure the default settings that will make your transactions with this customer smoother. For Sales Default, select the default sales account that will be associated with this customer's invoices. You can also specify the invoice due date. This is the number of days your customer has to pay their invoice. If the customer offers a special discount or has a specific credit limit with you, be sure to add those details here. Moving on to Purchase Default, you can set a default purchase account for any transactions involving this customer and define the bill due date for better cash flow management. By setting these defaults, you're ensuring consistent transactions every time. Now that you've filled in all the fields, double-check the information to make sure everything is accurate. If everything looks good, click Save to finalize the new customer profile. If you need to adjust any details or change your mind, you can click Cancel to exit without saving. Don't worry, your changes won't be saved until you hit that Save button. Once you've saved the new customer, you'll be able to see them listed in the Customers section. Here, you can search, filter, and sort through all your customers, making it easy to find the information you need quickly. You can also edit or update customer information later if any details change. And that's it. You've successfully added a new customer to your QuickQore account. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with managing your customers more effectively. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more QuickQore tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.